Egg and Puppy here. It's Monday the 11th, and I'm still running this thing on battery power through the inverter. Just as I started it up, it says it's got 11.9 volts. It went up 0.2 volts while I was asleep. Anyway, what I've done is I've simulated 2 really long nights of no electricity, entertaining the family with just the laptop, powered by a 12-volt battery and an inverter. I'm now into the 3rd night demonstration. Still on battery power. Gonna stop this recording, then I'm gonna go online. No, the modem is not being powered by this battery. Sorry.